These ASMR fruit cutting videos are pulling millions of views on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. But most creators think you need expensive gear or a perfect voice. Here's the truth, you don't. I'll break down exactly how to create these addictive ASMR videos with AI. But here's the crazy part. You don't need a fancy camera, a studio setup, or even to record anything at all. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own viral ASMR videos using artificial intelligence, specifically Google Veo 3. And if you stick around, I'll even tell you how to get Google Veo 3 completely free for 15 months. Let's talk about what's happening on screen and why people are so hooked. You've got these ultra close-up shots of fruits like strawberries, apples, or bananas. But they're not just any fruits. They look like they're made of glass. And thanks to AI, you can create your own version of this trend in less than 10 minutes. There are two main ways to access Veo: Gemini and Flow. Inside Gemini, which you can use for free, you get 3 high-quality video generations per day. But if you want more control and volume, use Google Flow. It gives you 1,000 credits per month, and each video costs just 20 credits. That means you can generate up to 50 full cinematic videos every month for free. And if you're wondering how to unlock that 15-month free plan, I've got you covered. Watch my other video. I'll walk you step by step through how to claim the full Google AI Pro student access and start using Veo 3 right now. Now let's talk about how the actual video is made. The magic is all in the prompt, and I've created a ready-to-use template so you can jump straight in. Before I give you the template to create any ASMR-style video you want, let's first walk through a real example together, step by step, and generate a sample video using Google Gemini. I'm going to take this exact prompt, paste it inside Gemini, a hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a whole full-shaped apple made of transparent glass with a soft light-colored outer hue. For example, pale yellow for a banana, light red for an apple, gentle orange for a carrot. The glass fruit is perfectly centered on a wooden cutting board, glowing subtly under studio lighting. A human hand is clearly visible, holding a sharp stainless steel knife just above the fruit, ready to slice. In slow motion, the knife makes the first clean slice through the glass fruit. The front section breaks off cleanly with delicate glass crack sounds. Then, the knife immediately makes a second slice, cutting another piece smoothly. Transparent shards scatter lightly from both cuts. ASMR slicing sounds only. No talking, no music, only the hand, knife, and fruit are visible. Ultra-sharp macro lens, shallow depth of field, cinematic lighting, 1280 by 720 resolution, 30 FPS. After a few seconds, boom, we've got a hyper-realistic slicing video that looks like it was shot in a high-end commercial studio. Pretty wild, right? Now, let's break down the structure behind this prompt so you can create your own videos like this with anything. A hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a whole, full-shaped objects made entirely of transparent glass with a soft outer hue appropriate to its real-world color. For example, pale color description. The glass object is perfectly centered on a natural wooden cutting board, glowing subtly under professional studio lighting. A human hand is clearly visible, holding a sharp stainless steel knife just above the object, ready to slice. All you have to do is replace the object with a fruit, vegetable, or anything you want, and pick a color that complements it. Let me show you how this works in action. I am going to replace the object with a good pooth, bolam, or structure, right? You can experiment with anything. Swap the object with random items like a glass cucumber, jelly bean, or even weird stuff like glass coins or leaves. Try different lighting moods: morning light, sunset shadows, moonlight glows. Layer some soft slicing sounds or slow motion cuts in your editor, and boom, you've got a viral-ready ASMR video. You don't need a mic, you don't need a set, you just need a good idea, the right prompt, and 8 seconds of AI magic. So go ahead, copy my prompt, generate a few clips in Veo, and start uploading. And if you haven't already, check the description for the video that shows you exactly how to get Veo 3 for free for 15 months.